So now how to get it assembled. Put the ball in. Okay, it's in place. Then the PCB, when you slide it in, should slide in like this. And you have to be very careful that not skewing it like it is or like this. This side of the PCB should be parallel with this top side of the sensor. And how you put the PCB in. First you anchor the PCB on this side, like this, and then push it a little bit backward until it's anchored also on the other side. See, like this, and then it slides in easy. Now everything should work. So, how do you get these things out? Simple. You push this lever with one hand and with the other hand pull out the PCB. See? That's it. Now, if it doesn't come out by hand that easy, what you could do is use a flat screwdriver and anchor it here at the pin of the sensor. Push this away with your finger and then grab the PCB. You see? It gets out. And now gently pull it out. That's it.